Hi you guys, this is Janet Jose and welcome back to my channel. I made a video of 10 rom-com movies for y'all to watch before, and I got a lot of suggestions to do a horror and a thriller movie as well. So here it is. This is a very short video because I'm just going to suggest 5 classic horror movies and like thriller movie which you guys, like, if you haven't watched, you have to watch it. Like, it's like the basic, and then you can then I have 5 of my favorites, so then you can watch that. I'm pretty sure who personally like horror movies must have already seen these movies, but this is for someone who's new and tapping into stuff. So the I'm just gonna list it and then put a poster here so you guys can see. If on the basic, like the 5 basic horror movies, I'm not going to talk so much about it because I just expect y'all to see it because it's like very classic and you guys should see it anyways. Like, it's like the base of starting it. I think you got it anyways. So the very first one is Conjuring, obvio. So the first one is Conjuring, and as it is, like, you guys have to see it. Like, it's बहुत ही basic है, and if you guys haven't seen it, like, what are you all even like doing? So the first one is Conjuring. The second one is Insidious. Insidious is again very hyped and it's worth the hype. It is a very nice movie to be watched. It's a horror movie and it is scary because like, who doesn't get scared of suddenly when ghost comes into the screen? That's the reason it's so scary, but it's nice. Then the third one is Annabelle. Annabelle is obviously again very hyped and it's about a doll, and it's crazy scary also. It's a horror movie and it is very nice to watch also, but it just sticks to you. And then, like, if you watch Annabelle, then you don't want to play with dolls anymore because that does that to you. And the fourth one is The Ring. Again, classic. I'm pretty sure y'all, if y'all are into horror and thriller movies, you must have already seen The Ring, and it has parts to it. But I think The Ring is like a very scary, and it has a good storyline to it as well. So that is the reason maybe it's such a hype and maybe why people like it so much. But yeah, the fourth one is going to be The Ring, and the fifth one is a thriller, that is Final Destination. Again, I just expect people to have seen this because Final Destination is very hyped and it's like really crazy also. Like, it just messes with your mind so much. So it's a thriller, but like, it's a very, if you guys haven't seen it, like, what? Just go ahead and see it, man. Like, they are like basic 5 movies you have to see it. It's like the prep of watching horror and thriller movies. If you guys have seen these 5, then I have my personal suggestion, that my personal favorite movies which I would like y'all to see. The first one is going to be hands down Saw. So Saw is a thriller movie, but it is so cool. Like, if it's little gross also because they put people in situations that they and like they put people in such situations that they have to make a decision and come out of it. So that's the gist of Saw. But it's just that we expect something, that this is going to happen, and most of the times in movies they give a different ending. Like, they surprise us, so we are so used to that fact ki, okay, we are going to be surprised, there's going to be some other ending to it. But Saw is not like that, and then you're like just left thinking that, oh my god, if this was me, what would have been the case? So that is why I like Saw so much, and it has stuck with me. It's a very old movie, I'm pretty sure, but it has stuck with me for so long, and it has been in my favorite list for so long. There are 7 seasons to it, like 7 series to it, so you have to see it in like one, like, be in a order like 1 2 3 4, because you won't understand if you just go on the fourth one. You will not understand because it's like, it messes with your mind so much, no? So in the fourth, maybe when you're seeing the fourth season, you'll get the link of the first one. So it's like a big movie in 7 parts. So that's very good. So if you are very interested in thrillers, Saw is the way to go to. I just expect like many people would have seen that also, because if you are someone like me who likes thrillers a lot, then Saw is obviously in the list, because it's just too good to not like ignore. Okay, I'll just go on talking about Saw, so I'll just try to cut it short and keep it very short for you all. The second one in my favorite list would be Wrong Turn. There is again three parts to it, and third one is my favorite. First two is also very good, but I would suggest, and again, it's not like Saw, you can just go ahead and see the third part, it's not related. But yeah, it's like I saw it way before, but it still has stuck with me. It's about these people. I don't know if I'm giving it away, but it's about these people who like eat other humans, and I don't know if they are humans also. Like uh, I'm just going to go too deep into it, but it's such creatures. They are very like, oh, when you see them, and it's just like a chase, and like the full thing is about those creatures chasing such humans, and obviously many youngsters love to go into the jungle, and that is where the story commences. So that is that, and yeah, it's a very good movie. Like if you guys, and it just keeps you on your toe, like oh my god, just run, 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 and there's no like story or to it, like kuch backstory, or there's nothing like that. It's like very basic, just chase kind of a thing, but it's very good for you all to watch it. And the third one is my suggestion, if you guys want to just watch it, like the third series of series third series of Wrong Turn would be the one I would suggest you all to watch. The first two is good, but it's not good enough. The third one is why it came into my favorite list, because that's very nice. Okay, I just want to keep this short, and I'm just going to ramble if I just go in detail. The third one, which in my favorite list, is Get Out. Again, Get Out is a thriller, and if you see it, it's like something's wrong from the beginning, but you just don't know like what is you don't get the connection, right? You see odd things, you see other things. I'm just not going to tell you the plot, I'm just telling you all so that you watch it. So you see such things, and then during the end of the almost during the end of the movie is when you get to know like what really happened, and then is when you say get out. So that is when the movie's name comes into it. So that's also a really good like one of my favorites to watch. It became my favorite just because the fact that like it before you're like what's going on, just and then towards the end when you get to know the story, it's like oh my god, I love it. So that is why it is my favorite in my favorite list. And the fourth one would be Sinister. It's again like a very, it's something new, something old. Like it's about a guy who's trying to chase a story. So that is something the plot always, like some people are obviously very curious to go tap into such things, and ऐसे ही तो movie बनती है, right? So that is the old thing, but the new thing I liked about Sinister was the story. Like it's like something new. Like we obviously all like, let me take a break. We obviously think that in a horror movie you get possessed. Is that how, like that's how traditionally the ghost is supposed to come into the story? But in this it's not like that, and I'm not going to give it away. But in this it's like it's a new way of ghost to come into our lives. So that is why I liked this one, and it stuck with me, and it was my favorite. Because obviously the traditional one in Conjuring also, and in Insidious, in every case one person gets possessed, and then that is the person who's going to wreck all the rest of the movie. But this was not that case, so I liked that. It was traditional also, seeing that one guy is chasing after such a story. So that has been in like all of the horror movies, but the new thing also is there, so that's why it's my favorite. Okay, that is why. So the Sinister, I'd put a poster. Okay. Sinister, I'd put a poster. Okay, sorry. Okay, and the fifth one is hands down Don't Breathe. So Don't Breathe is like crazy good, because like it just keeps you on your toes throughout the movie. You're like, okay, okay, what is going to happen now? What? So that is the reason Don't Breathe came into this. And you just think that a guy is in the movie. That guy is he's what, he's deaf and he can't see. No, he can't see, but he's not deaf. Okay, so sorry. It's been so long that I've seen it that I even forgot what was the thing. But yeah, he is blind. He can't see. He is blind. So in that, so that guy, we just think that guy who is like blind can't be like a villain in a movie, right? You just expect them to be, you know, weak in some places, so that it's just that it turns so crazy. Like that guy is so skilled and you get scared of him. That is what happens. So that is why Don't Breathe is in my favorite list. And I am a person who gets very hyped, like when someone is chasing someone, I'm like, oh no, run. So that is the reasons I like thriller movies more, because it just keeps you on your toes and you're so excited to see, like, you know, what is going to be the end result, what is going to happen. And like watching thriller movies just keeps you thinking like, oh, and then what. So that is why I like watching thriller movies as well. So yeah, that is the 10, the 5 basic ones. If you haven't watched it, watch it. And the 5 my favorite ones, which are mostly thriller, I guess, and the first 5 are mostly horror. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And I think I just rambled on too much, but just like cut it short and see. Yeah, come on. Okay, thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.